Mark Deering here from Remax. We've got another new listing for you this week. We are at the Boardwalk Condos in downtown Grand Rapids. This place is right across from the Grand River, and we are in the middle area where you've got the common pool, the fountain, and everything. This place has a restaurant, tavern, salon, workout gym, you name it. There's so many amenities here, walkable to everything. Come on in, let's check out the condo. Okay, so we just walked in from the front where your guests will most likely park. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is. You've got amazing businesses upstairs and downstairs. You've got a gym, you've got a hair salon, you've got an awesome restaurant. Elevators right here. All right, so let's check out the condo. As you can see, right when you walk in, nice tall ceilings, nice industrial feel mixed with modern kitchen here, nice hard surface countertops, nice white cabinet, stainless steel appliances, plenty of space here. You got a nice snack bar with a couple stools. And then as you walk this way, this area is really big, guys. You've got, right now you can see they've got it kind of set up as a living room and almost as an office. So up to you, you could have a little workout spot here, an office, or you could just make a giant living room depending on what you needed. And heading this way, we're gonna walk into the bedroom. Once again, very good size. We are facing north, so there's nice views of the river, the Grand River, and this has a walk-in closet. Once again, large ceiling. And this bathroom has a tile floor, hard surface countertops, updated light fixtures, nice surround here in the tub shower, and nice little accent pieces of this wood. The character kind of goes throughout with the building. So, all right, and then you head this way. Let's not forget about the extra storage and your laundry that is right on your unit. Good sized closet. You got all your gear here. Whatever you want to do, turn this into a giant pantry, whatever you need. And one more time before I didn't mention the windows, but these are like 7 foot tall by 4 foot wide windows. There's so much natural light in here. Right now I can see for miles just to the north here. Barely need to have a light on, just tons of natural light. All right, so there you have it. That is a quick tour of an amazing condo. The Boardwalk condos have a bunch of amenities, bunch of businesses attached, walkability, trendy, fun, convenient. Set up your private tour.